Hi everyone! Guess what we're doing today?
We're doing a baking video!
Yes. So we're going to be making brownie crackles, right? Yes. We're following a recipe that we found and we're super excited to show you guys because it's a Steffi homemade recipe, so hope you like it!
Let's get started!
Okay, so you're going to need a box of chewy fudge brownies. I got Duncan Hines. Doesn't really matter. But it does have to be the 13 by 9 family size brownie. You're going to need some flour. You're going to need oil.
An egg.
1 egg. And water, chocolate chips, and powdered sugar. So, let's begin. Alright. So, first thing you have to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And we just did that. And we're gonna mix the brownie. So first thing, you're just pretty much gonna mix all the ingredients together. So first, you need the packet of brownie mix.
I love that mix. It's so cool.
This is my KitchenAid mixer. Ooh. Okay.
So the first thing you're gonna do is open your brownie mix and pour it into your mixer and make sure all the mix is inside of the bowl. Now you're going to add 1 egg. It's the first ingredient you're adding to your mix. And once you've done that, you're going to put down the mixer and start beating your mix on low. So now you're going to use half a cup of water and you're going to pour it into your mixer slowly as it's mixing. Measure out 1/4 of a cup of oil and then slowly add it into the mix as well. So now you're going to want to pour 1 cup of all-purpose flour inside your mix and blend it very well. Last thing you're gonna add is a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You're gonna measure those out and you're gonna add them into your mixer. If you are not using a stand mixer or you are whisking them by hand, I would suggest using a spatula or you can potentially burn out your mixer.
So now what we have to do is, Scott's gonna open it up, and you're gonna pretty much clear off your mixer with a spatula, and then we're gonna start scooping. Yay! Make sure you got everything because you don't want to waste any of the batter.
Yeah.
In the meantime, you're gonna want to get some powdered sugar, and you're gonna put it in a shallow bowl. This is my bowl. So just put the powdered sugar in the bowl. So now we have our sugar. I want. Oh, it's so good. And now what we're gonna do is you got a small scoop. This is a scoop I have. I think it's like 1 inch wide. I don't know. We're gonna make small little balls. Make sure your hands are clean. So we washed our hands since we were making the bowl. And now we're gonna get the small scoop, and you're just gonna fill it up. You know, drop it in.
So the first thing you're going to do is scoop small balls of the mix and put them inside the powdered sugar. Now you're going to coat the balls with the powdered sugar. And you're gonna roll it onto your hand to make a perfect ball. And you're just gonna place them on the pan.
Now you're gonna continue doing this for the rest of your brownie balls.
Yum. Because it's so sticky, it takes forever to come out of the tube. Oh, another thing is, don't waste money buying parchment paper at your supermarket. It's like $4 when you buy it at a supermarket. But then you can get it at the dollar store. The one at the dollar store is parchment paper, it's wax paper. It works the same, it won't stick. It just burns a little bit. So like when you take it out of the oven, it's kind of smoky and it smells like something's burning, but it's not, it's just your paper. But it does nothing, it doesn't do anything to whatever you're baking, so it works perfectly. Also, if you don't want to get your hands dirty, something else you can do is just put them all, like scoop them all straight onto the parchment paper. And then I've done this before when I didn't want to get my hands dirty and I got like a sifter and I just sifted powdered sugar over all of it.
You are now going to grab your cookies and you're going to place them in your oven. Make sure that your oven is at 350 degrees, even though mine isn't just yet because it wasn't completely warm. And you're going to set your timer from 8 to 10 minutes. 8 if you want them to be nice and chewy. So now you're going to take them out of the oven and they're going to smell delicious. And you can start eating them. Yummy!
Let's see. Oh, it's so hot.
You can see how gooey it is in the middle.
Look at that.
Of the chocolate chips. Because the chocolate chips just melt.
Oh god, that was so good.
Wow. And they're so easy to make. That's the best part.
Easiest cookies, and they come out so easy from the pan. Amazing.
Okay, perfection.
So we hope you enjoyed baking with Scaria, and we really hope that you guys try making these brownie crackers. If you do, let us know what you think down below. Make sure to like and subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Okay, bye.
Oh, loud. Oh.
Hey! I wanna like, right? Can I just eat one already?
Right.
Wanna drink milk out of teacup?
Oh my god, you can still do that.